Alright, so I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel, not just anyhow YouTube channel, but a YouTube channel that will help you earn, okay? A YouTube channel that is monetizable. So come with me. Now, the first thing you have to do is click on your YouTube app, okay? This is it. Click on the YouTube app this way. When you click on it, it's going to open up this way, okay? If you have a channel, you are going to see this thing here below. Okay, you're going to see the channel you have here. You're going to see it here this way. But if you don't have a channel, this is going to be blank. Okay, so go ahead and click on you. When you click on the click on this sign, this setting sign at the top. Okay, click on the setting icon and then click on switch or manage account. This one, switch or manage account. Now it is going to bring out all these email addresses. Okay, these are my email address. Okay, it's going to bring out everything here. Now please, you go ahead and pick the email address that you want to use. Okay, now the email address you will be using is the new one we generated though. Okay, the personal email address. So go ahead and click on it this way. Now this is what you are going to see. YouTube is going to bring you to this interface. Okay, so when you get to this interface, the next thing you want to do is come down. Look at this place, the place that says you can see the first initial of the email address you generated, the name, the first letter. You're going to see it here. Okay, so go ahead and click on it this way. When you click on it this way, you are going to see it like this on your screen. Okay, so go ahead and click on create a channel. This one, create a channel. So when you click on create a channel, what you are going to do is, please don't add anything, don't add photo, don't add anything. Okay, just go ahead and put in your name. So you can see that my name is already showing visibility queen because that's the name of the email address I used. So if you don't want this visibility queen, you can quickly remove it. Okay, you can remove it if you don't want it. Okay, so you can remove it, but I want to leave it that way. I don't want to remove it. Okay, so let me show you how to edit your name in case you don't like it. Click on this pencil icon here and delete it this way. Okay, so you can use any name. Let's say I want to put Emanuela Eze. Okay, so let me put anything. Okay, I don't want to use that visibility queen. Let me just change it. Okay, let me say grow with Ella. Let me use grow with Ella. Okay, grow with Ella. Let me use it. All right, so click on save here at the top when you are done. Okay, so you are going to see that your handle will change automatically. The handle will change. So this is grow with Ella here. Okay, so when you are done doing this, go ahead and click on create channel below. Create channel, click on it this way. Okay, so this is what you are definitely going to see. Okay, so you are done creating your channel. Now let's move on to editing our channel. Let's move on to setting up the channel now. All right, click on your Chrome browser this way. On the search bar, search for studio.youtube.com. This is it, studio.youtube.com. Okay, so click on it, search for it. So this is what you are going to see. This is how it looks like. This is what it looks like, YouTube Studio. Okay, but you are to search for studio.youtube.com. So go ahead and click on it this way. Where you see it, you are going to see something like this. Go ahead and click on continue to studio. Please don't click on get the app, click on continue to studio below. This is my other channel. So in case you see yours like this, what you are going to do is to click here. You see this, look at your profile picture at the top. I don't know if you are seeing this place next to create. You are going to see your profile picture here. Okay, so click on it this way. But if you don't have any channel here, just know that you are going to see the channel you created on YouTube. Okay, the new channel you created on YouTube, that's what you'll be seeing here. So you have to leave it. Click on switch channel and you're going to see your email address like this. So you're going to click on the one you just created. Now look below, you are going to see the one I just created, grow with Ella. Go ahead and click on the one you just created. Okay, so this is the channel Grow with Ella. You can see. So there's a welcome to YouTube studio. So go ahead and click on continue. Okay. So now where you are going to click on right now, come to this side. You see this place that has a lot of things by the left. Okay. The left side. So go ahead and click on this second to the last icon here. This pencil icon. Second to the last icon. Not the last one. Okay. Click on the second to the last one. Okay. Second to the last icon, that's what you are going to click on. Second to the last icon. So it's going to bring you to this interface. Okay, now if I zoom this thing like this, you are going to see banner image. So click on your Chrome browser, search for Canva. All right, go ahead and search for Canva. This is Canva. Click on it this way. Canva. If you don't have an account, they'll ask you to create one. Okay, so this is my own account. So when you get to Canva, what you are going to do is to click on the search bar, this place that says search template. Click on it this way and click on YouTube banner. Okay, click on YouTube banner this way, YouTube channel banner. Okay, click on it this way. All right, so this thing is going to bring out so many YouTube banners for you. Look at this one. Look at this one. This one is very nice. So let's use this first one. Though there are so many, look at this one. So you can pick the one that maybe the color goes with your brand color. Okay, you can pick it. So I actually love this one because I'm generating a new brand. Okay, I'm creating a new channel. So I'll be going with this first one. Let me go with this first one. All right. So what you have to do now is to click on it this way. So when you click on it this way, this is it. Click on it again. Okay, now it is going to appear here. Immediately it appears here, what you are going to do now is to start editing it. No, this is a template. Okay, so the first thing you are going to do is click on this picture here. Okay, so when you click on the picture, it's going to bring you to this place. Now you can go ahead and click on upload files. It will take you to a place where you have to insert your own picture. Let me click on it for you to see. When you click on upload files, okay, it's going to bring you to this place. Go ahead and click on photos and videos. Okay, this will take you to your gallery where you are going to choose from your images. Okay, it's going to take you to this particular interface here, so you can pick from your images. Do you get? You can pick from your images when it brings you to this place. Okay, you can pick here from any this thing you want, but I actually don't want to pick from my gallery because I have image here, the one I want to use. So I'll go ahead and click on this one. Okay, I'll click on this one and it's going to appear here. You can see it here, right? You can see the way it has appeared here, right? So go ahead and click on it. Okay, this is it. Click on it and then this is it. It has appeared. This is the image I want to use. You can adjust it to fit into the circle properly. Okay, all right, so when you are done, the next thing to do is to go with the name. Okay, click on the name this way, click on edit here below and then erase this and put your name. So let's say the name I used on the new YouTube channel is Grow with Ella, right? So that's the name that will be here, Grow with Ella. Okay, so click on this place. Okay, you click on it this way. This is gaming channel. I'm going to click on it and click on edit here because my own is not gaming channel. My own is AI. So I'm going to put AI, then I put tutorials. Then maybe I can put growth. Okay, then I'm going to click on this side and you can see it, right? So I'm going to leave this thing that says subscribe because it's nice. So I'll leave it this way. And the next thing to do is to click here at the top. Okay, when you click on this icon here, you come down and click on download. All right, click on download again and your image will be saved directly to your gallery. Okay, so when you are done, the next thing to do is to go with the name. Okay, click on the name this way, click on edit here below, and then erase this and put your name. So let's say the name I used on the new YouTube channel is Grow with Ella, right? So that's the name that will be here, Grow with Ella. Okay, so click on this place. Okay, you click on it this way. This is gaming channel. I'm going to click on it and click on edit here because my own is not gaming channel, my own is AI. So I'm going to put AI, then I put tutorials, then maybe I can put growth. Okay, then I'm going to click on this side and you can see it, right? So I'm going to leave this thing that says subscribe because it's nice, so I'll leave it this way. And the next thing to do is to click here at the top. Okay, when you click on this icon here, you come down and click on download. All right, click on download again, and your image will be saved directly to your gallery. Okay, so now this is our banner image. So click on upload. We are going to upload the banner image we got on Canva. Okay, this is the banner image here. Click on it and click on done below. Okay, click on it and click on done below. This is it. Click on done. After inserting your banner, the next thing to do is to go ahead and click on the second upload. Okay, this upload below. You click on it this way and select the image you want to use. Okay, please make sure that it's an headshot. Make sure it's an headshot. Okay, please. So let's go and select the image. Let's say I want to use this one. Click on it and click on done below. So when you click on done below, it's going to appear this way on your screen. This is how it's going to appear on your screen. Okay, go ahead and click on done below. When you click on done below, you are going to see your name here. You're going to see your handle. Click on this description box under description. Okay, so I'm going to add this description I got, the one we got from ChatGPT. Okay, so the next thing you are going to see here is add language. Click on add language. Okay, when you click on add language, you are going to see this place. Make sure you click here, this V sign. Click on the V sign. You are going to see a lot of languages like this. Scroll and click on English United Kingdom. Okay, English United Kingdom. So come this side, this other place, click on the V sign. Okay, now you are going to click on only English. Just click on only English here. Okay, so yeah, click on channel name and put in your name, your channel name, Grow with Ella. So you scroll this way and click on done below. Okay, so when you click on done below, the next thing to do here is to click on add link. So this is the link title. Click on it, add WhatsApp. Okay, put WhatsApp there. Come to place that says URL and input your link. If you have any link, you can add more. This is my WhatsApp channel, that's the reason why. So I'm going to edit this link title and add channel to it, WhatsApp channel. Okay, if it is your TikTok link, you can put TikTok there. Okay, all right, so the next thing is your email address. This is my email address. I want to use the same email address I use in creating this, which is visibility queen. All right, so I just added my email, which is visibilityq@gmail.com. Okay, so the next thing to do after adding your email address, the next thing to do here is to check properly for all the information. You can see the profile, the cover photo, everything is okay. The name, Grow with Ella, you can see everything here, right? The language, so everything is okay. The links. So the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on publish. Okay, click on publish at the top. This is it here, publish. Click on it this way. So you wait for this channel to finish publishing. Okay,